In a bold move to redefine its lineup, Audi has announced the replacement of the A4 with the newly designed A5, bringing a blend of sleek aesthetics and enhanced efficiency to the forefront. This significant change reflects Audi's commitment to innovation and adaptability in the evolving automotive market. The new Audi A5 introduces a more streamlined and stylish design compared to its predecessor. The transition from the A4 to the A5 marks a shift towards a more modern and dynamic appearance, characterized by sharper lines, a broader grille, and updated lighting elements. Available in both a 5-door sedan and the versatile Avant wagon, the A5 offers practical yet sophisticated options for consumers. One of the most striking features of the A5 is its refined exterior. The vehicle boasts a slimmer grille and new light designs that give it a futuristic look, setting it apart from the previous generation A4. This aesthetic overhaul not only enhances the car's visual appeal but also improves its aerodynamic efficiency, contributing to better overall performance and fuel economy. The A5 doesn't just stop at visual improvements, it also introduces more efficient powertrains, aligning with the industry's shift toward sustainability and reduced emissions. The new engine options are designed to provide robust performance while minimizing environmental impact. These powertrains include mild hybrid technology, which helps in reducing fuel consumption and enhancing driving dynamics. Incorporating advanced technology, the A5's powertrains offer a seamless blend of power and efficiency. The mild hybrid systems recuperate energy during braking and provide a power boost during acceleration, resulting in smoother and more responsive driving experiences. This innovation underscores Audi's commitment to combining performance with eco-friendliness. The interior of the A5 has also seen significant upgrades, ensuring that drivers and passengers experience the utmost comfort and convenience. The cabin features high-quality materials, including fine leather and sustainable wood finishes, providing a luxurious atmosphere. The layout is driver-centric, with an emphasis on intuitive controls and easy access to essential functions. Technological advancements are at the core of the new A5. The vehicle is equipped with the latest version of Audi's MMI infotainment system, which includes a larger, high-resolution touchscreen and enhanced connectivity options. This system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Audi's virtual cockpit, providing a customizable digital display that can show navigation, media, and vehicle information. Safety features have also been prioritized in the A5, with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance systems. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking, all designed to enhance safety and provide peace of mind for drivers. The decision to replace the A4 with the A5 is a strategic move by Audi, reflecting the company's vision for the future of its vehicle lineup. By aligning the combustion engine models with odd numbers and reserving even numbers for electric vehicles, Audi is preparing for a future where electrification plays a major role in its portfolio. This transition is part of a broader trend in the automotive industry, where manufacturers are increasingly focusing on creating more efficient and environmentally friendly vehicles. The A5, with its combination of sleek design, advanced technology, and efficient powertrains, positions Audi well in the competitive luxury car market. In conclusion, the introduction of the new Audi A5 marks a significant milestone for the brand. It represents a fusion of style, performance, and sustainability, setting a new benchmark in the luxury car segment. As Audi continues to innovate and adapt to changing market demands, the A5 is poised to be a key player in its lineup, offering consumers a compelling choice that balances modernity with tradition.